Move the cutting head back to the far left hand end. With this model, you must remove the Allen screw with a 5mm key, and that will allow you, once you've taken the 2 screws out, as we did on the previous model, to tap the end clear of the body. Turn the machine upside down. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws from each end, and also remove the rubber foot as such. Holding the metal body, push the plastic end plate away from you, away from the body. Do not tap the end until the paper, the cutter guide drops out, but just sufficient to allow you to lift out the paper clamp. When we replace the clamp, make sure it goes into the slot that allows this to be parallel to this front edge, and as close as it is, as you see. Again, turn the machine over and tap the plastic end up until you see it line up with the hole. Put the screws back in, line up the holes, and put the screws back in and tighten.